Hello guys, we're going to be opening fidget toys right here. Fidget toys. We have a squishy, a marble mesh, and a fidget spinner right there. Let's see if we can get at least one of them. Okay. Let's see. Oh, over here, you can cut it. Let's get my mighty scissors. I get cutting. So I'm gonna start by cutting this scissor over here. And then cut the little pieces that it says to cut. And now let's take this off. Here are the rarities. There is common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. So we're gonna get a common, but that's blue. Uncommon is pink, rare is green, ultra rare is red, and legendary is gray. Let's see what we have. First thing we have is uncommon. Let's open it up. Okay, so here it has some tape. Let's carefully take off tape. Or not. Be careful. Okay. So hopefully I don't cut the thing that's inside, whatever it is. Ooh, it's a scrunchie. The scrunchie is rainbow and it's fun to play with. It's really textured and I love it. Let's throw it. Now, let's get it back. I got it back. Now it's time for some more. There's some more in there. Okay, we got ultra rare. Here is gonna have an ultra rare thing. Oh, it has no tape, so it can just twist it. There. And what is it? Ooh, we gotta build it for some reason. Let's build it. 3, 2, 1. I built him. Look, guys. Let's try it out. This is so cool. This is what we got. We got an uncommon scrunchie and an ultra rare thing. Let's get some more out of here. Ooh, it's a tiny common. Right here, look. Common. Aw, so cute. Let's see what we get out of it. These are scissors. Oh, this one has a cut place. Cut that off. Oh, it's a mini pea popper. Look. It's DIY. I love it. Okay. So, put the pea popper there. We got our sound made thing. We got our scrunchie. And we got a DIY pea popper. Let's see what's inside. Wow, there's so much. This is green. Okay, so what did we get? We got green. Green is rare. I'm gonna open it at the edge. And let's see what it is. It's this weird thing. What is it? Oh no, I think I might have cut it. Oh man, it's destroyed now. Cursed to green bag. But it's okay, I like green, it's good. So this was a rare marble mash, a DIY one, because I have no marble mashes. So it's just ruined now. How will we do anything with it? Ruined, surprise. And the very last thing is this ginormous legendary. I think y'all might be thinking, oh, it's a very nice diamond. Pop it. It's not a diamond. Cutting it open. Do not. Ooh. It's a nice puppet. Oh, and it's even soft. If you want to see more videos like this, you should share, like, subscribe, and comment if you want to try to get your own fidget bag, because they're really cool. But first I gotta get more fidgets so I can make a little more fidget videos, because this is our first one. Bye!